Hi, I'm Blanca from SolKing. In this video, we're going to see how to list an NFT collection on Magic Eden. As you should know, Magic Eden is the biggest Solana marketplace, so you should list your NFT collection here to get more volume and more sales. So we want to appear here as the collections we can see. We can do the listing request as a pre-list if we have not mint yet, or a final list when we have our mint. On this case, we're going to do a pre-list of Prime Cyber Society, a client's project, as you can see here with this website we designed. Then to start, we need to go to Magic Eden, and on the left side, we can go to Creators and apply for listing. We can also apply for Launchpad or apply for auctions, but this is other thing we're going to see in other videos. So we just go to apply for listing. This will give us the creator half. First of all, let me show you. We can also get listed on Magic Eden upcoming drops. This is like a calendar of upcoming mints, so it is good to be here to reach more investors. We will talk about this on another video too. Let's go to apply for listing. This open up new page, creators.magiceden.io. Here we go login or sign up with our email. So I put here info.privacyworksociety.com and they are going to send us an access link to email. This email can go to spam, so check well all the emails. Here in spam, we can see the Magic Eden mail, so it gives us a login button where we need to click. After clicking, we are another time on the Creators Hub, and now we will be logged for a while. Once discharged, we are in. Now we can see different parts of our dashboard. We have drafts, submissions, reviewed, listed, and rejected. Draft means that when do not finish a request, it will leave a draft to finish later. On submissions, we will see our NFT collection requested while it is not reviewed. After a Magic Eden review, we can go to review it, which are accepted collections on pre-listing. A pre-listing happens when we have not mint yet. And if Magic Eden do not accept our collection, it will go to rejected. On rejected, we can see some content guidelines and request another time to solve this. So let's start with the listing by clicking create new collection. Here we can see all the information we need to complete in order to get listed. First, they ask if we are authors or we have license to use the NFT art. If we are not, they will not let us continue with the form. So in this case, I will be the author. The next question is if we follow the Metaplex certified collections standard. Metaplex is the technology we use to develop the smart contract to mint. If you need help with the candy machine and mint site, feel free to contact us. We will help you for sure. So here we can complete this if we have mint our collection. If not, we will not have the collection standard NFT they request. As we are doing a pre-list, I cannot fill this. But there isn't no problem because we can continue. Click on account, you need to deactivate the button to continue. So now we continue to collection main information. Here we just need to fill the collection name and collection symbol. The collection name will be Prime Cyber Society, and about collection symbol, let me explain. This is what we're going to have in the link of the collection. For example, if we go to OK Beers, we can see that they put OK Beards. So on this case, we are going to put Prime Cyber Society. Once we finish this, we go to the next step, which are details. To start, we're going to put our collection description. I recommend to use a short one, but you can put what you want. To continue, we're going to upload a profile. We can use an image or a GIF. So this is important as a GIF can take more attention of investors. Now we have derivative. This is for the collections whose art is based on another NFT collection, for example, mutants, etc. We do not recommend to create derivative collection, but if you did it, you can just indicate here. In this case, the art is original, so we follow. Now we have categories. We can put 2 different categories, which is important because this will affect the position into the marketplace. I'm going to use profile pictures as primary category and art as second category. The next is linking the social media of the project. This will appear on the collection profile. First, you have to link in the Twitter, so you need to be logged on the project account. I have not the client account, so I will log with another Twitter. To continue, we are going to put a Discord invite, so here we go. It is important to create a unlimited invitation to avoid any problem later. And we paste it here, just the let's go. Also, if you have a website, you need to put it here as will help to be accepted by Magic Eden. Once details ready, we go to the last step. This last step is about mint details, so we can submit our collection before or after mint. Doing this before mint is recommended to let Magic Eden accept our collection, and when we mint, they just will need the hash list to upload our collection and let investors trade it. We're going to use pre-list. So we put the collection supply and the mint date. Although you can change it later, I recommend to put a definitive date because this will help to be listed in upcoming drops. If we want to appear here, we need to apply later by establishing a definitive mint date. We will explain it later in future videos. In this case, I will put the 7th of June at 9 p.m. UTC. Remember, the date you are going to establish is in UTC, so check this will. Once this is done, we click review button and we will finish. Now we can review all the information we have complete, and if everything is correct, we do not need to do anything more. The Magic Eden review usually takes between 24 and 48 hours, but this could take a little bit more if they have so much submissions. We can check our submissions on our dashboard, and after a review, we will see the result also here. So that will be everything about how to list your NFT collection on Magic Eden. I hope you liked it and help a lot. Remember, you can also apply for Launchpad and auctions, but we will see this on other videos. So thanks you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.